Hello everyone, this is me Brahmajit Mahapatra, and today we are going to learn how to download and install MySQL Workbench. Okay, so the very first step is that you have to open MySQL official website. For that, you just need to write MySQL, then press enter, and then here this first site is your official website. Okay, open this one. Here you have to go to the download section. Once you visit the download section, scroll down and you will be able to find MySQL Community GPL downloads. We have to click on this. Okay. Once you click on this, you will be getting the option for MySQL installer for Windows. Okay. Open this. Once you open this, here you can see that we are going to install MySQL Installer 8.0.27. This is the latest and updated version of MySQL. Okay, and for instance, we are taking that we are having Windows operating system. In case you have some other operating system, what you need to do is go here and select other operating systems. Okay, now see, below here, this is for web community, but we want for our own system, okay? So we need to download this 32-bit. It also works on 64-bit also. So we need to download this. Once you click on downloads, you will be getting into this page, okay? Here you don't need to log in or sign up. You just need to do is click on no thanks, just start my download. Once you click here, you will be getting an option that where do you want to download your file. Okay, so you just need to select any file you want to download over and then click on save and your download will start. Okay, it's a 470 MB file. For in this case, I have already downloaded. Okay, so we are going to directly continue with the process. So once you are done with the download, you will be able to find this file. Okay, what you need to do is open it. Okay, it will take some time and it's preparing itself. Okay, click on yes. We can minimize all these files. Meanwhile, you will be getting many application findings like do you want to click on yes or no? Always click on yes. And once it is done, you will be going into this portion. Okay, here you need to install your MySQL. The first one is choosing a setup type. Okay, so the first one is developer default. It will install your MySQL server, MySQL shell, MySQL router, but we don't need all those things. We want particular things, that is MySQL Workbench server and MySQL shell. Okay, so we will be going into custom. Okay, directly click on custom and then click next. After this, we need three things. The first one is MySQL server. So click on this small add button inside of MySQL server, then again on this and then this. Okay, and we have to click on here. Then we need to drag this to be the product installed. Then click on this one. Done. Now inside application, we need MySQL Workbench. Okay, so here click on this next. Okay, and then we also need MySQL shell. So click on this next. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to install MySQL server, MySQL Workbench, and MySQL shell. Okay, then we have to click next. Okay, then it is ready to install. In some cases, I have seen that students are facing that they don't have Microsoft Visual Redistribution 2015 to 2019. In such cases, you will be getting here the requirements and it will be automatically installed through this. Okay, there's no need to worry about that. Then we have to click on execute. Once you click on execute, it will start installing each and every part of it. Okay. Once this process is done, we will continue. Till then, just wait a second. So once all the steps are completed, you have to click next and then here you can see that your MySQL 8.0.27 is ready to configure. Okay. So you need to set it as default only. Then next, and then all these port ID and protocol portal ID and your developer computers, all these types and networking also you have to set on default only. Then click next. Okay, after this, just go with the recommended one. Next, and here you have to set a password. Here we are taking the password as hash 1234 hash. Make sure you remember this password, okay? Then again hash 1234 hash, okay? Once it is done, click next, okay? Then you have to again keep it as default only. Then next, now click on execute and it will take time and it will get all the configuration checked. Yeah. Once all the configurations are checked, it will show you that the configuration for MySQL Server 8.0.27 was successful. Okay. Then click on finish. Okay. Then again next. Okay. Finish. So here you are welcome to MySQL Workbench, and here you have to click on this local instance. Okay, and once you click on this local instance, remember the password you have used earlier. Then again put that password again, hash 1234 hash. Okay, then click on OK. Once you click on OK, here we are done with the installation of MySQL Workbench. Here you can write down your code and you can run your queries whatever you want to. Thank you everyone. This was me, Brahmajit Mahapatra, and I hope that now you will be able to perform all the download and installation part of MySQL Workbench successfully in your own system. And if you have any further doubts, you can connect with me on LinkedIn and also on GitHub. Thank you so much.